Hello everybody, this is Roger from Roger's Reviews. I just bought the DJI Mavic Mini. I really like it. I've had it for 2 days, and I ran the battery, one or two batteries out the first day. Second day I ran another two batteries out. So I pretty much have an hour, a little over an hour, no, actually 2 hours of flight time, maybe 2.5 hours, and I really love this little thing. I took it out, probably shouldn't have today. It was super windy. I live by the St. Johns River, and you know how it gets super windy by the river. There's no trees blocking the wind, and I took it up to maximum. I thought I was going to lose it, but I got it back, hit the home button, kind of hesitated. I had to take it out of the homing, and then I put it back in, and it came back to me. So very impressed with this little drone. Even under high winds, I didn't lose it. And I'm not an expert. I basically had to rely on the software to bring it back to me. I did have a problem originally when I first bought the drone. It would not connect to my phone, and I was getting very frustrated. I was going online. I was thinking I was doing something wrong. I couldn't find the app on my phone because I normally just have the cheaper Samsung, like J3 phones, which they don't have much memory. They're just a real basic phone. And luckily, I still had my Samsung Galaxy 9S. You have to have a 6.0 software from Android to make it work. And if you have a cheaper phone and you keep trying to search on Play Store to find the software that hooks up to the DJI, you're going to get the old software program. It's not going to work with this drone. For some reason, they made this software app different from all the other ones. I don't know why, but I guess they wanted you to buy a more expensive phone or an upgraded phone to work with this. And this phone here is not connected. It's not connected. I turned it off, and it used to be my daughter's phone, but it's like an $800 phone. I didn't want to lose it. I didn't want to get broken. It almost got lost and broke a few times. So, but you don't have to have it hooked up to the cell phone service. All you need is a higher quality phone, and it doesn't need to be hooked up to the cell phone service, so you can use a used phone. Also, too, you need to. I usually have a case on these more expensive phones. If you have any type of case, it won't fit in here, and that's the only thing I don't really like about this is when you fit it in there, it doesn't fit quite right. You kind of have to pinch it in there and kind of wedge it in there, and it kind of fits. And but other than that, I really like it. It's the only drone that I've ever used that like you actually almost get tired of flying it because it stays up so long. 30 minutes is a long time to fly a drone, and the footage you get is almost like too much for what we do. We get bored of like all the same footages, but hopefully I can get better on my videos. I like the charger. Charges up really easy. Also, too, it has a fast charger, so I put the fast charger on the batteries, and then I just use my cell phone. I thought maybe you could plug this in and charge the receiver, the remote, with the batteries, but that doesn't work. So basically, I just plug this in separately, and then I plug this in separately, and I use a regular charger on this one. Also, too, there's another thing. I have to read up on this, but this thing doesn't ever want to shut off. I think they do that because you don't actually turn it off while your drone's flying, so it makes sure the drone is on the ground and battery's taken out before this. It's like this thing doesn't want to shut off. The receiver keeps beep 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 beeping at you, so I got to read up in the manual and see how to shut that thing off, because I was driving. I had to reach over and keep hitting it, pushing it, holding it down, pushing it again, and finally got the thing to shut off. It was driving me nuts. So, but other than that, this thing is awesome. What I really like about it too is you just got to be careful. I almost bent these the wrong way. You have to do it in that sequence. Got to fold them in and then fold them back, because if you try to fold these out or these back first, it blocks the other ones from coming out. So you'll get used to that. But this is an excellent little drone, man. This thing is unbelievable for the size it has, and as light as it is, it really flies well. So, and then this little phone, I can just put it right on top inside the case, and I can take my case with me. So, and another thing nice, the reason I got this little drone is because I have another case that I bring my camera equipment. It's about the same size, so I have all my camera equipment, all my 3D camera or 360 cameras, all my tripods, anything additional. It's almost the same size, so this is all I need when I go out to do tree job or go film. I just stick these two little things in my car, or I can actually probably put them in a backpack. You got almost everything you need in here, and then you also have the 3 batteries too, so you can film for like an hour and a half, constantly. And then it comes with a pretty good sized chip too. I've been able to fly 2 or 3 batteries, and it still doesn't fill up the chip, so you got like 32 gig. I don't know what it takes up, but I've done already like 6 videos, and I put them together on my computer. They're not the greatest, but it's my fault, not the drone's fault. The camera, the images, the stability, the gimbal are excellent. They're more than I ever expected. They're just as good as the other bigger drone I have. So, and then I want to show you one more thing. Oh man, this is the drone. This is the drone box that I used to have. Well, I still have it, but thank goodness. Like, once you pick that thing up, that's basically all you want to carry. It takes up so much room. It takes up like the whole seat. But look at the difference. I have to carry this whole monster. Which would you rather carry, or this? And this too, I had to buy all the batteries. So by the time I got done, I probably had close to $1,000 in this one. And now it doesn't even work. It's having problems. For some reason, it doesn't show the battery. I charge all the batteries up. I charge the remote up. And for some reason, the drone will go up and come right back down, like there's no battery power. So I don't know what's wrong with it. I've never wrecked it or anything like that, but I need to find out. This is a really good drone. It's really stable. It just, for some reason, it's malfunctioning. But the place where I bought it from, they closed down. So a lot of these little shops that you buy stuff at, that's why it's not really any better to buy it locally, because all these hobby shops are closing because everybody's buying stuff online. So hopefully I can find somebody to fix it or look at it, because I hate to get rid of it, because it was a really good drone. So anyway, if you like this video, please crush the like button and subscribe and share it, and we'll try to bring you more videos to help you make a better buying decision. And I'll get you some more videos on the DJI Mavic Mini. It's an excellent little drone. I highly recommend it. Thank you.